Hello guys, welcome to Finstock. This is a channel to talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and even manage your business. And we also talk about online courses. And many people have been inquiring regarding the risk and fraud management courses. And one of the courses that falls in the category of risk and fraud management course is the anti-money laundering risk management. So let's start by understanding what will you learn when you, let's say you enroll for anti-money laundering risk management course at Finstock Evarsity College. What are some of the things that you learn? So in this course, you learn about anti-money laundering and with the various stages of money laundering and how criminal organizations, they disguise, how do they disguise and convert their dirty money into clean money. So we will be learning about how these the criminal organization, how do they disguise and how do they convert their dirty money into clean money and to avoid detection from regulatory bodies. So you'll also learn about countering the finance of terrorism, and you will identify key differences between the flow of money laundering and terrorist trafficking financing methods, and keep yourself and your organization protected from money laundering and terrorist financing abuse. So someone is also asking, what is the minimum grade required to do a certificate in anti-money laundering risk management? So if you want to do an anti-money laundering certificate course, is just a 4 month course. So there will be no requirements, there will be no grade requirements. And the mode of delivery, we always say that it's online. That means your classes will be conducted via Google Meet or Zoom, and you'll be given the learning materials at your student portal. So another question is, what are the program goals? If, upon successful completion of this anti-money laundering risk management certificate, what will you be able to do as a student? Number one, you'll be able to understand the process of money laundering, measures and the measures against money laundering and initiatives taken by various organizations to combat terrorism. And then you'll be able to understand the implications and the penalties for non-competence or non-compliance with anti-money laundering legislation. And then you'll be able to explain how anti-money laundering might be prevented. You'll also be able to understand certain principles that are be can be updated by your organization to guard against money laundering, and then you'll be able to define how a firm and its staff, should they protect themselves against the risk of money laundering and terrorist financing, and then you'll be able to understand in details how a company might become a target for money laundering and terrorist financing, and explain which red flags are you supposed to look out so that they might help you to identify and even prevent and report any suspicious or actual criminal activity. You'll also be able to understand some of the hotspots in financial crime. So once you do this course, so which are some of the areas that you can work with this course? Number one, you can work in as a global conflict analysis. You can work as a fraud specialist. You can also work as a money laundering reporting officer. You can also work as an anti-money laundering analyst. You can also work as an internal auditor, or you can also work as a financial crime investigation. So this draws us the conclusion of why should you really do this course. So I'm going to be highlighting some of the reasons why you should do the anti-money laundering risk management course. Number one is that you have the ability to recognize, develop, and maintain risk-based and comprehensive anti-money laundering and financing framework to mitigate and prevent the threat. And then you'll be able to understand your customers' due diligence and responses, such as reporting suspicious activities. You'll be able to help financial institutions combat money laundering by stopping criminals from engaging in transactions to disguise the origin of funds connected to illegal activity. We also be capable of handling advanced technological systems to track and also to record information and predict fraud in the organization. We also be able to define robust processes to be followed so as to not to leave any gap in operations that could promote fraud. And then you'll be able to spread awareness through training of other professionals on fraud risk management. So that is more on the anti-money laundering risk management course, which is a 4 month certificate course. And we have said that the entry requirements, there are no entry requirements. And once you complete this course, you get a certificate, and we have highlighted all the areas that you can work with this course. So if you're interested in doing this course, you can enroll at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com or call them at 0703-313-722 or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.